Assalamu alaikum friends, it's another C++ output to determine. So you can see the code on your screen. First of all this one and then this one. So go ahead, give it a try, pause your screen and come back with a solution, and if you don't worry, I will explain. So now let's see the output. So you can see first output is M and the second is minus, and if you get it how it works, then that's excellent, and if you don't, then keep on watching the video. This line will be read as a pointer by the compiler. So if you are familiar with the pointers, then it will be easy to understand. So let's see in terms of pointer. Here I will create a pointer of type character and initialize it with a string like this, and now I will do two steps. First this one, and second this one. Now this statement will return increase the address of the pointer to the 5 digits. So if the pointer is here at the first place, it will go on to 5 digit next, 1 2 3 4 5. So pointer now will move here. This has increment the address of pointer with 5 digits. So the pointer will be here, and if you see out P here, then it will print right from here. And if you see this one, this will increase the value stored at the place of at the address of P, and with the increment value of 3. So value stored at digit place 3 will be D. Same is the case here. Now see, this line will be read as this by the compiler. So this will increment the value of, so this will show the value stored at the 5th place of this string, and this statement is as like this statement. The address of the pointer is incremented by 5 digits, so that's why just mine printed. And if you have any confusions, you can comment below.